Hi friends, let me share with you my recipe, steamed banana bread with chocolate chips. Here are the ingredients. Alright, so let's begin. We have to peel the bananas and be sure the bananas are ripe. Then mash the bananas. Okay, when done, we have to put this aside. Alright, next we have to sift the flour. This is to remove lumps and large particles. So just simply do this. Alright, then we have to mix the other dry ingredients. So you just have to mix them thoroughly. I enjoyed baking this steamed banana bread because the members of my family love it. And even if you don't have an oven, you can still bake banana bread by steaming it. Alright, so this is already mixed. Okay, and then I will also add the other ingredients, the mashed bananas. I will also add the melted butter. Then vegetable oil and the evaporated milk. Now I'd like to mix them well before I add the remaining ingredients. Then I will add the vanilla and the eggs. Now we continue to mix all of them until we reach the desired consistency. Now it smells so good. If you like to put chocolate chips, it's okay, because this one I like to add chocolate chips. But for those who do not like to have chocolate chips, it's fine and you can steam it already. So this time I will just add chocolate chips because the children love this. And after this, we have to put this one in the container. So it's good to grease first the pan with butter or oil. Now place the batter or mixture in the baking pan. Alright, the steamer is so hot already, so you can place it there. We will steam this one. It depends. You can have it 45 to 1 hour or more. So you just have to check it from time to time. Here is my banana bread with chocolate chips. This is soft and delicious. Thanks for watching.